Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of coffee with a brand new product from the Breakfast Blend Light Roast. Now before we get started, let me ask you a question. How do you like to kick off your mornings? If your answer involves coffee, then I know we have something special in store for you. And if you're not a coffee drinker, well, this might just be your chance to discover a new favorite morning ritual. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the rich, bold flavors of the Breakfast Blend Light Roast together. Hey there, I'm here. And today we are diving into the world of coffee. Specifically, we're talking about the new breakfast blend. Now, if you're a fan of McDonald's coffee, which I know so many people are, you might have heard about their line before. They offer a range of coffee and espresso drinks in their restaurants. But now they're rebringing that same high-quality coffee right to your home with their new Breakfast Blend Light Roast, available on Amazon. I am so excited to share more about this product with you all. Let's get started. Now, I don't know about you, but when it comes to coffee, I'm definitely a creature of habit. I love that rich, bold flavor that coffee brings to my mornings. It's my go-to drink, and I've always been on the lookout for a coffee that not only tastes great but also fits into my busy lifestyle. That's why I was so excited to try out the Breakfast Blend Light Roast. First things first, let's talk about the taste, because that's what really matters, right? This coffee is incredibly smooth and flavorful. From the first sip, I could feel my senses awakening with its rich aroma and balanced taste. The light roast is perfect for those who want to enjoy the taste of coffee without the added bitterness or acidity that can sometimes come with darker roasts. And let's not forget about the caffeine kick. As someone who needs a little boost in the morning, this coffee delivers just the right amount of energy to get me going without that jittery feeling that I sometimes get from other coffees. But the great thing about the breakfast blend is that it's not just a good tasting coffee, it's also incredibly convenient. As a busy individual, I don't always have time to make coffee at home, which is where this coffee is a game changer. With the breakfast blend, I can enjoy a high-quality, delicious coffee whenever and wherever I want. The next thing I want to talk about is the value. The breakfast blend comes in a 30-ounce container, which is a great size for anyone who loves to drink coffee on the go, or for those who want to have a fresh pot at home. Overall, I am absolutely in love with the Breakfast Blend Light Roast. It has quickly become my go-to coffee, delivering a fantastic taste, convenient packaging, and unbeatable value. So if you're a coffee lover like me, I highly recommend giving this coffee a try. You can find the Breakfast Blend Light Roast on Amazon. Click the link in the description below to get started. Thank you for joining me today. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy coffee drinking.